Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So firstly, let's open the camera app just by tapping on this icon, and since we are sure that you're on the photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar. On the second position from the right, we've got the timer option, which is right now turned off because this icon is crossed out. Obviously, we can turn it on just by tapping on it once, and right now we've got 3 seconds delay, and after tapping again, we've got 10 seconds delay. So let's check how the 10 seconds delay option will work. So leave it like here and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. After tapping again, we can turn off the timer. So let me tap again. We've got 3 seconds, shutter button, and the same situation, but now it is counting down from 3. After turning off the timer, the icon is crossed out. So from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually, that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.